Mistplay does not publish a list of lowest paying games, and a game that earns slowly for one user may offer different rewards to another. Reward rates change over time and depend on your account, device, region, and the promotions currently available. By the end of this video, you'll know how to recognize games that may not be worth your time and how to focus on better earning opportunities inside Mistplay. The first games to be cautious about are older titles that haven't received updated promotions for a while. Mistplay regularly refreshes its catalog with new campaigns from game developers. When newer games are added, they often receive more attention and better promotional opportunities than titles that have been available for a long time. That doesn't automatically make older games bad, but they may provide fewer reasons to start playing if newer alternatives are available. Another category to watch is games with very limited progression. If a game reaches its major milestones quickly and then slows down significantly, you may find yourself spending much more time playing without seeing the same level of continued progress. Before investing hours into one title, compare it with other games currently featured in your Games tab. It's also worth paying attention to games that are no longer actively promoted in your account. Mistplay personalizes recommendations. So if a game isn't highlighted and newer titles continue appearing ahead of it, it may be worth checking whether another option offers a better opportunity for your playtime. One mistake many users make is copying someone else's highest paying or lowest paying list from months ago. Those videos often become outdated because game promotions change and availability differs between users. The offers visible inside your own Mistplay account are far more useful than rankings created for someone else's account. Instead of trying to avoid one specific game, compare the current selection available to you. Browse newly added titles, review featured recommendations, and choose games that are actively supported through Mistplay. Launch every game directly through the Mistplay app so your gameplay is tracked correctly from the start. If a game feels like it's no longer providing good value, there's nothing wrong with switching to another eligible title. Mistplay regularly updates its catalog, and checking back for new additions can help you find better opportunities without waiting for an old game to improve. Here's the quick recap. Mistplay doesn't maintain an official list of lowest paying games. Older or inactive titles may provide fewer earning opportunities, and the best way to maximize rewards is by comparing the current offers available in your own account. Always make decisions based on the latest in-app offers rather than outdated rankings. If this guide helped you choose your next game more wisely, subscribe for more Mistplay tips, troubleshooting guides, and reward app comparisons.